Stop using GB WhatsApp. I know it looks attractive with extra themes and hidden options, but most people don't realize what they are actually installing. GB WhatsApp is not made by WhatsApp or Meta. It's a modified app created by unknown developers and shared through APK websites and Telegram groups, not through the Play Store or App Store. People download it for features like hiding online status, custom themes, or sending large files. At first, it feels like a smarter version of WhatsApp. But behind those features, there are serious risks that most users never think about until something goes wrong. The biggest risk is account bans. WhatsApp clearly warns that using unofficial or modified apps can result in temporary or permanent bans. Many users wake up one day and suddenly see a message saying their number is no longer allowed to use WhatsApp. When that happens, you can lose years of chats, groups, and contacts, and in some cases, you never get the account back. The second and more dangerous risk is security. Since GB WhatsApp is not reviewed by Google or Meta, no one verifies what code is inside it. Cybersecurity researchers have already found modified WhatsApp apps that contain malware. Some versions secretly read your clipboard, others request unnecessary permissions, and some quietly send your data to remote servers without you knowing. This becomes especially dangerous if you copy passwords, banking details, or crypto addresses on your phone. A malicious app can replace copied text, monitor activity, or expose your personal files. Once you install a compromised version, attackers can even push updates that add new threats later. If you installed WhatsApp from anywhere other than the Play Store or App Store, or if the app name includes words like GB or plus, you are using a mod. Another warning sign is if the app asks for permissions like accessibility access, SMS reading, or device control. Official WhatsApp does not need those permissions to work. If you are using GB WhatsApp right now, don't panic, but don't ignore this either. First, open the app and create a local chat backup. Then copy your WhatsApp or GB WhatsApp media folders to your phone storage or a computer. Save anything important before removing the app. Once your data is safe, uninstall GBWHATS app completely. Then install the official WhatsApp app directly from the Play Store. During setup, try restoring your backup if it's compatible, or start fresh if needed. After that, turn on two-step verification inside WhatsApp settings and check linked devices to remove anything unfamiliar. If you believe your phone may have been exposed to malware, uninstall the mod immediately, scan your device with a trusted mobile security app, and change passwords for important accounts like email, Google, and social media. It is also a good idea to warn close contacts if strange messages were sent from your number. Modified apps may promise freedom and extra features, but they trade your privacy and safety for convenience. If you care about your data, your account, and your digital security, stick to official apps and trusted sources. If this helped you, share it with someone who's using GBWHATS app. This warning could save their account or their data.